Today, we're going to be making this delicious and crispy garlic bread. First, we'll start by making a dough. Combine flour, water, yeast, oil, and salt, and mix using a hand mixer or a headstand mixer. You can find all the measurements in the description of the video. When our dough is smooth and uniform, we move it onto a surface sprinkled with flour to knead it a little bit by hand. After that, we'll transfer it to a bowl with a covered lid and let it rest for an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. Now, moving on to the delicious garlic butter. But first, I need some fresh herbs from the garden. Combine 2 sticks of room temperature butter with garlic, chives, basil, and optionally, a hot chili pepper for a little kick.
Don't forget salt and pepper.
Mix the butter until everything is combined and put it aside. Take your dough out of the bowl and put it in a tray dusted with flour. Cover twice with plastic wrap and let it rest again for another 45 minutes. After it has expanded again, take off the plastic wrap and make a few cuts on the surface of the dough. Preheat your oven to 220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit, bake for 10 minutes, and then drop the temperature to 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit and let it bake for 45 to 55 minutes in total. After it is finished baking, cut it in half and spread your garlic butter onto the bread. Bake again with high heat for 5 to 10 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on it so the crust doesn't burn. You're done! Cut and enjoy by itself or with some cottage cheese.